Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing without any website. So we're going to be utilizing Clickbank as our affiliate platform. Okay, so in this video, it's going to consist three steps, which is the first one. I'm going to walk you through how to pick a a profitable offer on Clickbank. And step number two, I'm going to reveal to you a website that has millions of impressions. And step number three, I'm going to show you how to create a clickbait ad in 5 minutes, even though you don't have any copywriting skill at all. And the most important thing, do not skip any part of this video because each and every part is very, very important. So I'm afraid if you skip any part, you'll not be able to make it right. Okay. So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And in this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. So consider subscribing if this type of content is your jam, and do smash the like button to help my algorithm as well. Okay, so let's head off to Clickbank Marketplace. If you haven't signed up already, the sign up process is very straightforward. I would like to invite you to sign up. It is 100% free. There's no investment or there's no credit card information needed. Okay, so in this particular video, we're going to be promoting e-business and e-marketing product because the website that I'm about to reveal to you more likely to generate visitors from this niche. Okay, so just click e-business and e-marketing. So you're going to be able to see a lot of product available, and what we want to do next is set to recurring, filter on recurring. So you're going to see all of products available here with the recurring. So what does it mean is those products, they're going to be have like some sort of membership or subscription based product. Okay, means that you just gonna need to promote them once, and then you're going to get paid every single month. Right, for example, like this one, this is a software, a turn text to speech. You're going to get a commission, the initial commission like $43, and then recurring rebill would be $13 every single month. So this is actually a very brilliant idea when it comes to choose a good product on Clickbank. Okay, for example, this one over here, $53 for initial sale, and you're going to get a recurring income for $17 every single month. All right, so that is the thing what we want to do. And then you can also sort by gravity as well. What does it mean is this is by far the most popular product, or the most demand, or most people or most affiliate are currently promoting this product. Right, and the best part is they are making money. Okay, that's the most important thing. So this is by far the best on the top of this niche, 184, and this one is the top converting high ticket on Clickbank, 143. The software turn text to speech is 134, and etc, etc. So I'm going to choose like this one because I have chose both of these product in my previous video. So I'm going to try to take a look at this offer here. So let's head off to our affiliate JV page. So you're going to land over to this page. Okay, so who else want to earn monthly residual income and up to 456? All right, this is pretty good. By promoting number one offer on Clickbank. Okay, so we can go through the JV page. Okay, it looks good. So this is the commission tier. So this is all the upsell, and this is the commission that you could possibly make with this offer. And then what we're going to do is I want to find the click here for great marketing ideas. I want to find the ads banner actually. So let's see if we could find any banner for this product. So this is all the email swipe. This is the article, I guess, idea, right? Because this is the marketing material. So let's take a look at affiliate links, swipe graphics. Take a look at this link here. Right, click your ID. This is funnel, webinar, affiliate marketing. Okay. Okay, it looks like it doesn't have any banner, because in this particular video we're going to need the banner in order to promote on the website that I'm about to reveal to you just a second. All right, so that's okay. All right, so I'm going to be choosing this one, 12 minutes affiliate program, I guess, right? Affiliate system. All right, so next thing what you need to do is I'm going to reveal to you the second step, which is where to find the million of impression, right? So I'm going to go to Google and type in at click.com, right? So this is the site that I talk about. So at click is actually a you can buy ads online on this platform. So you can also sell ad space if you have a website that generating millions or 100,000 of views. But in this particular video, we're going to buy ads online. Okay. So by the way, this is going to be a paid ads strategy, but trust me, you don't even have to spend hundred or even thousand of dollar in order to get millions of impression, because the price is very, very cheap. Okay, so this is all the site available on this page. So take a look at this one, 1.7 million views. So you're gonna need to pay $15 per month, guys. So how cool is that? This one is 5 million, only 0.08 cents per 1,000 impression. By the way, this is all category, because we are going to promoting anything that related to affiliate. We can sort by affiliate. So if you were promoting anything related to beauty, business and finance, cryptocurrency, you can also choose any category that available here. So it has the pet and animals, home garden, and etc. Okay, so I'm going to tick on affiliate, SEO, and marketing. So this is the page or the website that related to the product that I want to promote. So this one 1.7, $15. This one 1.4, $25. This one 500,000, only 0.110 cent per 1,000 impression. That's pretty cool. Okay, so you can sort by you can scroll down to see the website that resonate with you the most, but I think this is by far the cheapest one. So let's take a look at this one. So what you're going to do is we're going to create a banner, which is I'm going to walk you through the process how to create it. Okay, just take a look at this one. So this is the different banner available on this page. So 7 to 8 times 9 90 pixel. Okay, so this is the price per 1,000 impression, and then the minimum order will be 100. So you literally just gonna need to pay like $10 to get 100,000 impressions. So it is very, very cheap, guy. Okay, so let's pull out my calculator. Let's do some calculation real quick, right? Because I want to show you what is the possibility income that you could possibly make with this strategy, right? So take a look at 100,000. Let's say 100,000 impression. Let's say 1% out of 100,000 going to click on your ads. So it'll be 1,000 people click on your ads. So let's say out of 1,000 people, and 1% out of them is going to purchase. All right, you're going to get 10 sales from that one ads. All right, so let's take a look at product that we are promoting. So we're going to get 161 commission. So it's literally equal to 1,000 plus, guys. Okay, 161 times 10 sales, you're going to be able to make 1,610. So it doesn't count the recurring income yet. So 1,610 plus $23 every single month will be something very, very good, right? Considering you just need to pay like $10 for 100,000 impressions. So that's very, very powerful. Okay, so you can also advertise if you want to put a different dimension of ads. So this is the price, right? 300 times 250 would be 8 cents. This one 125 times 125 would be $5 for per 3 days, right? So let's say if you want to go with this one, so what you need to do next is we're going to need to create our ads. Okay, so it brings us to the step number 3, which is how to create a clickbait ad in 5 minutes, right? So in order to do that, you're gonna need to go to canva.com. So Canva is actually a online editing platform. So it's literally free. I have to log in here. You can get signed up for literally free. There's no investment needed. So what you can do with Canva is actually you can do a lot of design on here, right? For example, we wanted to design the banner ad here, right? So just take a look at Canva and create a design here, and then we're going to create we're going to go for custom design and simply type in the dimension that you want. For example, 7 to 8 times 90 for the height, and then create new design. So this would be our design dimension for our banner. And then what you need to do next is we're gonna need to go to the sales page for this product. So I'm going to click on the sales page. So we kind of like wanted to get some idea what type or what image that we can put in, and then we're going to literally copy paste some of the text or some of the headline, so that we can actually create an ads without having any technical skill or any copywriting skill at all. Okay, so in system with everything you need to success. Right, so this is actually a video sales later. It's still loading. All right, so let's take a look down here. What is the image that we can copy and paste on our banner ad? Okay, so it's kind of loading. I don't know, my internet is kind of like a bit slow. All right, so this is actually the headline: breakthrough software use proprietary sleep sales technology. All right, this is very, very good. Sleep sales technology to generate sales while you are stuck comfortable in bed. All right, so I think I'm going to literally copy everything here. Right, so I'm going to head off to my Canva, and what you want to do next is we're going to put text. Simply click on the text, and then I'm going to put the headline here, and I'm going to paste it here. Paste. Okay, all right, so I'm going to take a look at product. All right, so I'm going to enter here, make it like 3 lines. Right, cool. So then I'm going to make it slightly bigger, like okay, like that, and then I'm going to adjust the line spacing a little bit. Oops, I'm going to click all, select all, and then I'm going to adjust the line spacing, something like that. All right, so I'm going to change the color. Okay, so let's take a look at the website color. It is more to, I think it's more to blue, so maybe I'm going to design according to the sales letter. So I'm going to put this one, then I'm going to change to a little bit blue like this. All right, so that's pretty much pretty cool. So I'm going to make it as a background. All right, so I'm going to drag it somewhere here, and then just bring this one to send to back. Okay, so maybe I'm going to change this tag to blue. I'm sorry, to white. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to try to put some image here, some compelling image. You want to find any grabbing attention image, for example, like this one here. Okay, let's see if I can scroll. All right, so this is very, very good, right? Because it shows the result here. So I'm going to save image. Okay, I'm going to put this image on my desktop, and then go back to Canva and simply upload the image, upload device, and go to my desktop and find the image. This is the one, and let's take a look if I could adjust the image here. Where's the image? It's still loading, I guess. Right, it's still loading. All right, this is the image. So I'm going to drag the image on here, and let's take a look if we could have a very good image here. Right, cool. Okay, all right, so because it's too big, I think I'm going to crop it maybe until here. Okay, all right, so maybe I'm going to make it let's see if I can rotate this thing. I think I'm able to rotate this. All right, so I'm going to make it slightly slanting like that. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Or maybe I'm going to make it slightly bigger here, and then I'm going to rotate it a bit more. Okay, so I'm going to put it somewhere here. So just like that. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So this is the grabbing attention image. By the way, this is not that good. For the sake of showing you this video, I don't want to drag this video too long, but you got the idea, right? So you need to put something that people grabbing attention image, and then a grabbing attention title as well, right? So breakthrough software use proprietary sleep sales technology. So let's take a look if I could actually bold this one, or maybe I can make it like, okay, cool. So maybe I can change this tag to red. All right, cool. Okay, so I wanted to highlight this one because this is a very powerful keyword, sleep sales technology, to generate sales while you are stuck comfortably in bed. Okay, so I also going to put some call to action here. So I'm going to move it a bit up here, and maybe I want to adjust the line spacing as well. Oops, I'm going to need to select all first, and then going to adjust the line spacing to get some space down here. All right, cool. So I'm going to click text, and then going to click stop heading. I'm going to type in click here to learn more. Okay, so now I can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So maybe I'm going to bold the entire text, right? And then I'm going to bring these things down a bit here. Click here to learn more. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you got the idea how easy to create an ad. And then what you can do next is you can download this ad and then go back to the ads click, and then you can purchase this ad if you want. Okay, so if you want to create this ad for, because this one is slightly cheaper than this one, so you can do the exact same thing. Go to Canva and just setting create a document, a new document for 300 times 250, and then just simply go through the exact same process that I just showed you. Okay, so that is step number 3. That's pretty much it, guys, and I hope you got the idea how to actually promote affiliate marketing from Clickbank offer, and that is how you're gonna be able to make your first sale in Clickbank affiliate marketing. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. I hope you got some value throughout my sharing here, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't already. And I highly appreciate your time for watching this video, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.